If you own a pool, you already know that the most annoying part isn't the floor, it's the stuff floating on top. Leaves, pollen, bugs, and most robotic cleaners ignore everything on the surface. This is the Beatbot Sora 70. It combines true water surface cleaning with full pool coverage, handling the water surface, floor, walls, and the water line all in one system. It's truly one of a kind and best in its class. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how it works, how it performs in real use, and why it's a great value in its class. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the Sora 70 itself with the 6-liter debris basket already installed, along with the charging cable, a retrieval hook, the manual, and a quick start guide with instructions on the back. The Sora 70 is designed for long-term outdoor use with IP68 waterproofing, corrosion resistance, and protection against the sun and cold. It's built to live outside by the pool. At the front, an ultrasonic sensor located right here constantly reads the pool walls, steps, and obstacles, which allows the robot to make real-time navigation decisions. Also right here are the 2 water jets that help guide floating leaves and debris toward the cleaner. But more on that a bit later. On both sides of the robot, there are 2 propellers to help it move smoothly. There's also 4 guide wheels, 2 on each side, to help it run closer to the surface and edges where most of the debris tends to collect. All of these components combined work together to enhance the water surface cleaning. Underneath, the dual group roller brushes on the front and back work together with the track wheels on each side, which maintain steady contact and stable movement across flat surfaces like the pool floor and the walls. Inside, there's a removable 6-liter basket with an inner filter that collects debris and can be easily accessed from the top switch here. On the top, the handle makes it easy to lift, and the water outlet located right here releases the water back into the pool while also helps generate suction and forward movement. At the back of the robot here, you can check the status along with the mode switch and mode indicator, along with the charging port right here. Using the Sora 70 is super simple. All you have to do is charge it, drop it in, and let it take care of the rest. Before using it for the first time though, just make sure it's fully charged. After powering it on, you can select a cleaning mode using the mode switch on the back, or you can use the Beatbot app. The indicator light shows you which mode is selected, and the app walks you step by step through the process. To start cleaning, simply place it gently into the pool along the wall. In surface mode, it starts cleaning right away. And in floor or full cleaning modes, it settles to the pool floor and begins automatically. After that, when the job is done, it parks itself at the pool edge and it drains as you lift it out. So there's no daily skimming, no babysitting, and no complicated routines. Just hands-free pool cleaning. The standout feature of the Sora 70 is JetPulse water surface cleaning. Instead of just relying on suction, the Sora 70 uses the industry-first twin jet system. There are 2 water jets, one on each side as I showed earlier, and each jet pushes water both inward and outward at the same time. This guides floating debris into the central suction inlet while blocking it from slipping past the sides. And if there is an extra dirty or problem area in your pool, you can guide it directly using the app with a speed button for quicker turns and targeted surface cleaning completely hands-free. Moving on to specific cleaning coverage, Sora 70 delivers 4-zone coverage all in one cycle. It cleans the floors, walls, waterline, and the water surface, and more. It can also clean shallow platforms and tanning ledges as low as 8 inches. It does this all while automatically transitioning between zones using the ultrasonic sensors to detect steps, slopes, and edges. So if your pool has any of these, this makes a huge difference. Those are usually the areas where dirt and algae usually start, and most other robots simply can't reach them. So the result is total pool coverage. Floor, walls, water lines, water surface, and platforms all from one device. So this means no manual scrubbing and no extra tools are needed. It truly is hands-free cleaning that prevents the problem areas before algae spreads and breeds. Next, let's talk about suction power. The Sora 70 delivers a powerful 6800 GPH flow rate, which is super impressive for a pool cleaner in this range. That power comes from its hydrobalance structure, which is a center-mounted pump design that keeps the water flow smooth and suction stable as it cleans. This, combined with its advanced 8-motor system, the Sora 70 achieves superior suction that handles everything from fine sand particles to stubborn debris. Also, with its dual brushes that create a wider cleaning path, it handles larger debris like whole leaves and twigs that standard inlets cannot handle. Speaking of that filtration, the Sora 70 uses an ultra-large 6-liter debris basket with a 150 micron filter. The standard filter handles heavy debris like leaves, twigs, insects, and sediment without restricting the water flow, so that means suction stays strong even during longer cleaning cycles. And if you want clearer water, you can switch to the optional 3-micron ultrafine filter to capture microscopic particles after the heavy debris has been removed. It's designed to capture smaller particles like fine sand, cement dust, pollen, and dead algae, and even oil residue. So how long does it last? The Sora 70 is powered by its high-efficiency 10,000 mAh battery, which is designed to handle full pool cleaning all in a single run. Depending on the mode, you're getting up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, up to 7 hours of surface cleaning, or a full wall, floor, and waterline cycle without stopping. As far as the size of the pool, it can cover up to 3,230 square feet in a single session. For most large residential pools, that means a complete coverage in a single cycle. So Sora 70 has fewer charging cycles, no mid-clean shutdowns, and it's less time worrying about whether the job is actually finished. So when the cleaning is finished or the battery levels drop below 12%, the Sora 70 automatically moves toward the bottom of the pool's edge, then drains the water and floats up to the surface. The advanced smart drain system automatically releases the excess water to make the unit lighter, so you're not lifting a heavy water-filled robot out of the pool. So no hooks, no reaching in with poles, and no strain on your back. It parks itself where it's easy to pick up near the pool's edge. So who should buy the Sora 70? If you're tired of skimming leaves every day, dealing with shallow ledges that get dirty fast, or paying a monthly pool cleaning service, the Sora 70 robot solves all of those everyday problems all in one system at a fantastic value. And if you factor in how much a regular pool maintenance and cleaning services cost, Sora 70 will pay for itself in just a few months. So overall, it's a smart long-term investment that saves time, effort, and ongoing maintenance costs. And to top it all off, it comes with a 3-year warranty, so you can trust that it will do its job. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you will do with all of your extra free time now that you don't have to go out and clean your pool every day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.